Coffee is a popular beverage made from roasted coffee beans, which are the seeds of the coffea plant. Coffee is typically consumed as a hot or cold beverage and is often served with milk or sugar. It contains caffeine, a stimulant that increases your energy levels and decrease fatigue by altering certain neurotransmitters in the brain. Here is a general overview of how coffee is made. Harvesting. Coffee beans are harvested from the coffea plant when they are ripe. The beans are typically hand-picked, although in some cases they may be machine harvested. Processing. The outer layer of the coffee cherry is removed, leaving the coffee bean. There are two main methods of processing coffee beans, the wet method and the dry method. In the wet method, the beans are fermented and washed to remove the pulp, while in the dry method, the beans are dried in the sun and the pulp is later removed. Roasting. The coffee beans are roasted to bring out their flavor. During the process, the heat transforms the chemical and physical properties of the beans. There are various degrees of roasting, from light to dark, and each type of roast brings out different flavors and aromas in the coffee. Grinding. The roasted coffee beans are ground into a fine powder. The fineness of the grind will depend on the brewing method being used. Brewing. The ground coffee is placed in a coffee maker or other brewing device, and hot water is passed through it. There are many different ways to brew coffee, including drip brewing, French press, espresso, and more. Serving. The brewed coffee is typically served in a mug or cup, and can be enjoyed plain or with milk, sugar, or other flavorings. I hope I helped you understand a little bit more the wonderful thing that coffee is. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comment section how you like your coffee. Have a look in the description of the video for useful links.